Okay, it's fine. I think
Yeah.
we can pause it there, or you can play it, but on silent.
Well, I mean, it's in your headphones, so
Oh, yeah. But I don't want to hear it.
okay.
Okay, three, two, one, go. Okay. Good afternoon, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Just forgive me of the noise. There's a little bit of noise where I'm recording right now, but hopefully you can hear me and you can see my screen. Today I'm going to be talking about DomWizard. It's a library or a framework that I created with a bunch of people 2 years ago. And actually, it was created specifically for Hacktoberfest. And throughout the years, people have been contributing and making this repository better. So, what it is, I'm not sure if you guys know React. Just think of it as a small version of React. So, we have things like store, we have things like routes, like we have a router, we have then we have CSS manager, we have a DOM manager. So basically, what we do is you can create a single page application using DomWizard, and it makes things much easier using that. Um, so when you go here, I want you guys to first just go through the README, read a little bit about what it does, and while you're reading the README, I want you to try it out as well to see how it works. Just copy this and put the name of your project, uh, and just make sure that you know how to use it. And also, feel free to go through the quick starts because it explains a little bit more about what everything is about. And also, you can go to the tutorial where you can actually follow through and see how it works. There's a little bit of a problem with the tutorial specifically, and the reason is I did try to follow it 2 days ago. It produces some errors on my code. So I also need somebody to fix this. And if you do fix it, you're also going to get recognition for Hacktoberfest. You're going to get points for that because we do allow non-technical contributions. And also, as we add more and more features, we're gonna need people to write documentation. So if you are willing to write documentation of features that are added, obviously you have to talk to people who added those issues. Also talk to me. Then you'll know what kind of issues to add. I mean, what to write on your documentation. So we need help on that as well. After you've went through the repository and you have installed it and you've played around with it, just go to the issues and see all the issues that we have. We do have a bunch of issues here. So I want you guys to choose whatever issue you want to work on. So let's say you want to work on this, you click that specific issue and you go to the comments bar here, you can see, and you just tell me that, oh, can you please assign me this issue? And then I can assign you that issue. I also just want to say that, as you can see, this repository specifically has 18 issues. We do have more other repositories that we're going to share throughout the week. But because we have only 18 issues and we have more than 100 people on that group, so we're going to allow more than one person to work on an issue. So even if somebody's assigned an issue, you can ask me to assign you that issue as well, that I can assign multiple people on that issue. But also just make sure that we only do one issue at a time to give other people a chance. And if you are working on a specific issue as well, make sure to report back to me within 24 hours, or report back to any repository owner. So if it's a repository is owned by somebody else, you report to that person within 24 hours. And how you to report, you can just write a comment here and I'll see it. And if you don't say anything within 24 hours, I'll unfortunately have to remove you from that issue. You don't have to finish the issue. You don't have to finish working on whatever you're working on, but you have to just update me where you're at and what have you done. Also, if you decided to do something and assign you that issue and you find it very difficult and you want to switch and do something else, just come back to the comment section, tell me that I can't do this, I'll do another issue, then I'll assign that issue to somebody else as well. And as I did say, even if somebody's assigned the issue, feel free to ask me to assign you that issue, because I can assign an issue to more than one person and I will just accept the best implementation. But even if you don't have the best implementation, as long as you did put some effort into it, I will it will be recognized for Hacktoberfest that you will get points for it. One thing I want to add is you can also create your own issues. So after looking at my project and finding problems with it, feel free to create issues. It could be technical issues or non-technical issues. Just make sure that you don't create an issue that's already here, right? But feel free to create issues. And we already have about 6 pull requests, but I'm sure these are not from you guys because I haven't told you about this repo yet. Remember that people all over the world trying to contribute to Hacktoberfest right now. So we do have some people trying to contribute, but I haven't accepted any of their pull requests because I'll accept your pull request. Um, I think that's more about it that I wanted to say for this specific repository. Just make sure you read, just make sure you go through everything. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask on the WhatsApp group. We'll respond to any questions that you guys have. But thank you so much for tuning in. I hope we can take this project much further. If you have any future ideas as well, add them on the issue, and then you can work on them. So I'm gonna end the stream right now. Sorry.